Hi, parents. I wanted to show you how to access essential skills today. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a new tab, and you are going to go to essentialskills.com right here. All right. So once you're at the essential skills, you'll know that you'll see the B and A B C D. You're going to come up here to school login. School login. Okay. Let me close that out. Okay, when you get to school login, this is important. You need to enter this user school ID, the school ID, exactly how it is here. Capital F 408, capital B 0, capital A 6. Enter that, and then you need to make sure there's a check mark. Pick students from a list. This will make it easier for your students they don't have to enter their name. They're going to pick their name. Now, the first time you do this, you have to type a password here. And the password is school pass. SCHOOLPASS. School pass. No capital letters, no space. SCHOOLPASS. Now, if you're using your student's Chrome login, this essential skills may be already on the bookmark, and this may already be set up for you. But for the first time, enter the school ID, make sure there's a check, pick students from the list, enter the password school pass, and then click on student. All right. Now we have two classes here. You are going to click on first grade. And then you're going to click go. Now, when you get to this page, if it asks you to save the school ID, you want to click yes, save that school ID. Then you want to put the school ID and the school password in. All right. If you click save that, every time you're going to save that and bookmark this page here, then all the kid, once you get to this page, so I'm going to make it, I'm going to make a bookmark. Okay, I don't have to enter that password again and that school ID. So I click here and I'm at this page. Okay, and then I'm going to click first grade and then click go. And the students are in alphabetical by first name. That's why Adeline and Alex are first. Now, if you come over here, all right, you don't see all the names. You can scroll down. There's my scroll button. So you're going to see all your kids. Now, I'm going to log in as my sample student, Freddie First. So I'm going to click on my student's name. And then Freddie's password, I'm going to enter his cafeteria number. So each time your child logs in, they're going to click on their name and they're going to enter their 3-digit cafeteria number. It should be 3 numbers. And then I'm going to click go. And then you should come to this page. So we're going to specifically be using this program for right now for phonics practice, the importance of practicing reading, and for me to be able to give some spelling grades. Okay, So when I say find Superphonics 2, you're going to click here. All right. And then, so for this week, we're going to go to Valdigraphs. You'll see I've worked in some of this. Okay. So when I say click on 6 Valdigraphs for Superphonics, and then this week we're going to work on AWAU sounds. You're going to click there. And then I will tell you, you're going to be doing, on Monday, you're going to be doing hear and match. When your child's done, the star will be done. And that's all you're going to do on Monday. So if I click here.
Say the word you hear, then click on it. Launch.
If they need to hear the word again.
Launch.
And then I click on it.
Dawn.
All right. Now,
Fall.
One thing I want to tell you, if you want to go back home, do not use the back up here. That'll create an error. Okay? Use this back. Okay? Because if I do this, I get an error. Okay? So I'm going to go back. And if I go back here, that takes me back to where I was. So on Monday, you're going to do hear and match. On Tuesday, you're going to do picture match, but there are 2 activities. So they have to fill in both these stars in order to get this star. And then, actually, I should say day 1, you're going to do hear and match. Day 2, picture match. And day 3, because you get to choose which days you're doing your e-learning. For my sake, it's easy for me to say Monday, day 1, Tuesday, day 2, and then Wednesday is day 3. And again, you'll see, because I haven't done these activities for Freddie First, this is the student, you should see your student name. They're not completed, but if I would complete the activity.
Choose the word
okay.
that goes into each word shape.
Now these are word shapes. So this is saying this is a letter with a tail. And this is a short letter. So jaw would fit in that spot. Now I have a short letter, tall letter, short, tall. Okay, so this word has 2 tall letters. That will help you there. Now if I go back and I go on word shapes, it didn't give me a star because I didn't finish the star. Okay, now when you're done, because we're going to be doing Superphonics, if you click back, remember, use this back. Don't use that back. Back. Okay. Now, if I click exit and I'm done with Superphonics, it's going to take me, it's going to give me a summary. Again, I didn't finish anything, so it's not giving me. I can click home and I'm back here, because on Monday you're going to have phonics and Monday you're going to have spelling. And Tuesday phonics, Tuesday spelling, etc. So for spelling, my directions say click on consonant digraphs, and we're going to use this list for spelling this week. List 1, we're going to be working on words that have TH in the beginning, and you'll see the words than, that, these, them. So again, I'm going to click there. And then on Monday, I'm going to do hear and match. Tuesday, or day 2, I'm going to do typewrite. Now, on typewrite,
each word in the list,
they use their keyboard, that, and then if they hit enter, it goes to the next. Now, if they don't hit enter and they just click, it won't show they're finished with that word. And that word will still be there. So they have to go up here, and after they type it, they have to hit enter. All right. Thin. So we're working, all our spelling words this week are TH. So then I'm gonna finish the activity. I'm not gonna, well, let me just finish it so I can show you what happens. I'm a quick typer. Okay, so they got 100 on the activity. They didn't miss anything. And then if you finish an activity, you can go, okay. And I did that. See, sorry. It's already filled in. Okay. Now, these are like incentives. Magi's. Your kid can click there and play in there anytime. They get tokens to hatch different creatures. All right, so I don't think I've done enough to get these. So as they complete more, they'll get to hatch this egg, a ruby, and then they get a cyber teddy. Anyway, that's optional, but the kids do like to play around in those things. Again, so a couple things. Just click the back. Click the back. All right. And if you click exit, as you can see, it shows that I did finish the activity there. All right. Now, if I would have done the phonics and the spelling, it should show both. Again, I can go home if I need to get back to these programs, or if I was in those programs and I want to just click exit, I'm done. Again, it'll show me my summary, and I'm exit, and I'm back at this page. I really hope that this will help.